You can see the sun rise and fall in the sky. He creates earth dawn, then he'll shine away when twilight comes. You can see the moon like the dark sky at night, shine high with the stars while they guide the night. They're all natural, just like the life of man, which is so natural, like a home in pigeon in a blue sky. Just follow the road laid by Mother Nature. With her blessings, our life will be in peace. You can hear the wind blow a tune in your ears, sing the song of their life, breathe the air of love. It's so beautiful, just like the life of man, which is so natural, like a home in peace in a blue sky. Just follow the road laid by Mother Nature. With her blessings, our life will be in peace. You can feel the time, rhyme the beat of your heart, synchronized with the world. It is pure, it is so divine, it is natural, just like the life of man, which is so natural, like a home in pigeon in a blue sky. Just follow the road laid by Mother Nature. With her blessings, our life will be in peace. Just like the life of man, which is so natural, like a home in pigeon in a blue sky. Just follow the road laid by Mother Nature. With her blessings, our life will be in peace. With her blessings, our life will be in peace.